Let's store data in the worker cache and use that cache data in worker pipeline runs. This is a Java application built and run by Gradle. The Gradle cache mechanism is integrated with the worker cache mechanism. In this worker.yaml file, the worker cache environment variable can be used in the command line, can be set to a Gradle environment variable, and can be set in the Gradle command line as a command line option. So this build pipeline will run the Gradle wbuild to download the dependencies into the cache directory. Worker cache dir runs the Gradle wboot run to start the application by picking up the downloaded dependencies in the cache directory. The default cache dir pipeline also runs the Gradle wboot run, but uses the default cache directory which is empty when this pipeline is first run. To run the application using Worker, go to app.worker.com, go to Action, click Execute this pipeline again, and then click Execute Pipeline. The build pipeline starts running. The workflow in this application has 3 pipelines. The first is the build pipeline, followed by 2 sub-pipelines, worker cache dir and default cache dir. These 2 pipelines are triggered by the completion of the build pipeline. Looking at the log for the build pipeline on the Runs tab, this step downloads the Gradle zip file into the pipeline /cache/downloaded directory, which is specified by the environment variable in the worker.yaml file. The completion of the build pipeline triggers the start of both pipelines. The worker cache dir pipeline shows the step using worker cache dir took 11 seconds to finish. The other pipeline, default cache dir, shows the step using default cache dir took 18 seconds to finish because it needed to download the dependencies into a different cache directory. Now you can use the worker cache to save the data for later pipeline runs. Learn more at cloud.oracle.com/containers/pipelines. Thanks for watching.